to YouTube. Take the camera. Okay. So let's see if everything is working well. Okay. So let's start a dev session on my game. I did a small presentation before. Let's see. Yeah. This one was to test also my YouTube setup to see if everything was working well. And I explained different things, but basically I'm working on a different version of my game which was previously in development. I'm starting again from scratch. On Taiga, I have this project PlaxelSS for Plaxel side scroller. Yeah. So yeah. So what I'm doing, I'm following. So I followed some Vulkan tutorial. And since I will be using compute shaders in my application, I'm basing my code on this compute shader tutorial, which actually includes everything from the previous tutorial. And I'm using this the C++ bindings for Vulkan because it's really nicer to work with. And just a few minutes ago, I saw there is actually some RAII samples. Well, there is something here. Another layer on top of Vulkan HPP that follows this principle. And well, I did not see that before. And let me see, yes, here. So I'm using SonarQube. Where is it? Yes, in the list of issues, there is something. Oh, it's not there. Okay. I will see it somewhere. Ah, yes, this. It is saying something like remove this class destructor. And for my defense, I was following some examples. So let's see if I go to Plaxel, then Vulkan, git remote. So maybe I can just open it. Yes. So there is some C++ Vulkan examples based on some how to say popular examples on Vulkan, but they are not using the C++ bindings for Vulkan, and so there is this fork using the C++ bindings. So I was basing my, let's say, my knowledge on this. And what they are doing here, let's have a look at they have some kind of context wrapper to get all the devices and things, and they have so clean up. Okay. I saw that they are using destructors and so on, but at least you see they are manually destroying everything. And so I will be using this, that way I won't have to manually destroy all the devices, and so on. That's why I added this part here. That's what I will do, but first I will at least finish what I started. So I'm trying to port the tutorial using the C++ binding and so on. So let's go. So I already started this. I'm missing this function apparently. No, it's here, but I need to add it to the class. Don't know what this is about. So C++ is not, I'm not really familiar with C++ in general, but I still have some knowledge about it. What does it mean? Implicit instantiation. If I change it to this, is it the same? So I don't know about this error, so I have to search for it. Let's see. So maybe I'm missing an include. Let's see what they have here. Limits. Should be this one. I'm just a bit surprised that it was not suggested. Normally the IDE is smart, but not enough apparently. Okay. Okay. So this was suggested by SonarQube to separate two different statements. So I will just trust him. So I'm replacing the use of the C binding of Vulkan to the C++ one. Yes, this one is good. So I don't have to specify it. It's a default value already. Image usage. It's inside this dash. I have to get the bits. Attachment. Yes. Okay. See where it is used. Let's see if I do std. Well, I'm a bit more familiar with vectors and array. No, here. Just to check. Yeah, right, okay, it's sufficient. But then maybe I can do data. Yes. Image sharing. Sharing. Current. So one of the benefits of using C++ binding is that I can't make an error like using mixing objects which are not for this purpose. And I do find that it is more readable in general. Exclusive. Okay. C'est alpha. Then it will be a bit different with a C++ binding. I'm doing a create swap chain with create info. And that's it, maybe? I need to check something. If I do this swap chain, I only have, oh no, I can do a get. I did not see this duality between create and get. So maybe I can do a get. which will be, in my opinion, it will be simpler. Because I just give it the create info, I guess. Let's see. I need or maybe not. It's a bit hard to read directly from the code. Maybe looking at the documentation will be better, but I'm not sure where to look at. Okay, I'm not really not sure about this. Maybe I need the null pointer for the p allocator. No. Maybe I need to pass by reference. No. Okay, let's declare this, the swap chain. So the swap chain here. Let's go to the header. Then normally I should be able to do something like this, but no. So in this case, what I have to do, that's what I was thinking about the beginning. Okay, like this. Then let's throw. I need to use a custom exception, or otherwise SonarQube will not be happy if I use generic one. The real reason is it's better to do with a custom exception for some reason, but I won't go into details. So here, if I'm not mistaken, I can simply do something like get. Oh no, too bad. I was hoping that there was a function directly from the swap chain, but no, apparently not. So device get. Ah, okay, that's what this getter was about before. I didn't see the images mentioned. Okay, so I need the swap chain. So image count. Maybe I don't need to specify this. Ah, okay. So that's a good thing about using the C++ binding, is you don't have to do two calls for some things. So let's get the swap chain declaration here. Not here. Then I can do swap chain images. Let's see the signature. Swap chain images equals. Let's see what I did wrong. Oh, I don't need the image count. That's even better. Okay. And then I need also these declarations here. Just looking at something. Okay. That's it. So let's see if I have something else to do. Yes, I have. Okay. Using. Seems that I already have this function, so let's remove it. It was probably used somewhere else. Okay, let's see if it's running well. I probably forgot to destroy. I don't know why it was declared like this. Okay, should be better. Okay. And then we can see we forgot to destroy a swap chain. And well, I will do it because it's easy to do, but in my next task I will simply remove all of this. Destroy swap chain, swap chain. It's also better in the C++ binding to do it like this than what they are doing. So where is it? Clean up swap chain. You have to call the distro swap chain by specifying the device and the swap chain, and this way it looks nicer. Okay, normally I can run it again, and so the content is empty, it's normal. And no, I don't have any error. So now I can simply commit what I did. And what I did is create the swap chain. Yes. I won't explain what the swap chain is because while I do have an explanation, I'm not an expert. Okay. Let's commit. I don't want to see the analysis yet. Let's push, and then I want to work on this task before I continue on this one. So I will use the RAII layer. It sounds better. This way I don't have to worry about destroying anything. So we need the context first. Init Vulkan, create instance. What I will create the context where I need it. So I need it when I create the instance. Okay, apparently I don't have them. I don't have this layer. So what do I need? I don't have any suggestion, no. Let's see if it is a package that I can find somewhere. Vulkan. I don't know. Don't find the bookmark. So RAII. Misclick. Ah, okay. Probably I just need to include this one. That's okay. Let's go there and let's include this one. Probably I don't know what the logic is, but because it is included inside, I just have to remove this one and it will be fine. Okay, no, that's good. And now so I need to use this. Let's modify probably I can do it like this, maybe with a reference create info, no? To do this, no? Okay. I'm not very familiar about maybe this. Ah, yes, okay. Then I have my instance, and so apparently I'm not checking for the success of creating the instance, so I don't know what it does if okay. Probably I would have to do some kind of try catch to get the exception. But since they are all nicely typed, I just don't care. Let's I will let the exception as it is. So I need the dispatch loader. Let's check if there is. No, I don't think so. Okay. I need to dereference, so I don't know how it works, but the dispatch loader needs a VK instance. I don't know how to get it. Ah, release. And I'm not sure if release may have some yeah, side effect. That's not what I want. But anyway, I will just so at least can have maybe maybe okay. Apparently I can just have something like this. Yes, good. Okay, next one. So I did it for the instance, and in this case, what I want to do, I will already remove this. So I will have to look at a way to destroy this automatically also. If I run the oh no, it won't run because yeah, okay. So let's see. I know there was a reference to the loader. No, dispatcher. I don't know how it will work, because if I don't specify the dispatch loader, okay, maybe that it was not this problem. I just need to specify the good namespace. No, still. Okay, let's see. For now, I will remove this patch loader. The problem is this function is not available if I don't load it explicitly. If this one, let's see, there is probably a guide somewhere. Or not. Oh. Window. No, okay. Well, in this case, I just need to dereference. Okay. So this one, I saw it in the doc. Okay. Yeah, I see. So the difference here is I need to do it like this, and then instance. Yes, it's okay, but okay. Apparently, it's simple enough to do it like this. Nice. Then guess that's the problem. Well, yes. For this one, I need also to change it. So I don't know. I'm not sure how I should translate this. Okay, I will test something, but then for the test I will do this. Or I want to check if I go there. Let's change the signature. And also change this one. This one also. Okay, next error is here. Device. Okay, what I need to do is physical device equals create info, maybe like this. Okay, yes, I need the physical device. Actually, I'm wrong. That was not what I needed. What I need is this. Okay, it's better. And I don't need this anymore because the exception is handled automatically by this function here. We can see this here. Throw result exception. That's good. And so I need also to change the namespace here. Okay. The swap chain, it will be the same. I'm pretty confident. Yes. So let's go there. And so let's say swap chain equals device rate info. Okay. This one, I suppose it will not be a vector, it will be okay. It's a bit different for the swap chain images. Yeah, let's see, I can do swap chain get images, but that's a bit weird. Yeah. Okay, no, it's working. Working well. And then I don't have any other error. Oh, yes, I have one. This is a problem. I don't see the problem. Let's compile and I will see. I don't know what happened. Okay, for this problem I will see later. But I still don't understand the problem. Let's see again. Ah. No. It's a bit weird what happens here. Let's see if I can do something like this to... No, I can't, actually. I can do something like this just to try to understand. Okay, now it's a bit more clear what happens. If I'm not mistaken, let's see. If I remove the destructor, I know. Okay. Okay, let me add it back. What I had before here. So the problem here is that I'm calling the constructor, the default constructor here. Actually have to do something like this, I guess. Something I was not really familiar with C++, and I had some doubt when I was doing it before. So I need to initialize them with null because this is probably an enum. Yes. Because I don't want to call the constructor. Okay. Chain image format. And I have a default value. No. Well, I don't want to initialize this file. Oh, I can say undefined, maybe. It's not this one. This one is a class, maybe a struct. Can I? Well, okay, an empty struct, maybe it's okay. Okay, let's try to run, and I hope I will have an exception where I want. This exception is really not verbose, but I probably know where to look at is probably even when I create my instance. Okay, let's remove this for now, because I'm not using the dispatch loader yet. Okay, no, I don't know. I have to look for this error. Is it something which is initiated? That's interesting. Okay. It comes from the context, apparently. So I guess I can do something like not this, but okay, I know, yes. I can just disable the dynamic one. The problem that I have is it's apparently doing what I wanted, so okay, so let's try. I will disable this, so I need to define this. So if I do this, it won't work because I need to do the reverse. I'm not familiar with define. So C plus remove define and def. I'm testing to see if it is the solution or not. So it's still going there. Okay, I know what I need to do. I need to set this to 0. Okay, let's see. Not there. Okay, I suppose it's going there now. So no, I can probably do this. Yes. Let's see if it is fixing my issue or not. No. Ah, I know why. Maybe. The dispatch loader is there. Okay. Okay, so for some reason, I was initializing a dispatch loader. And I don't need to initialize it, so let's remove this because now maybe the dynamic loader will be working well. Let's wait a bit. What was it again? Initialize the context. What do I need to do? Yeah, I don't have to put any parentheses. Great. It's even better than before. So now I did this kind of thing. I don't know why I cannot do this, but at least this seems to be working, so maybe I can just directly use null pointer. Okay. No. Let's see if everything else is working. Okay. So there is an issue, and apparently it's because I'm not destroying things the proper way. So I have to dig a little bit more in the documentation. My supposition is because I'm destroying the window before destroying the context. It's probably causing this problem here. So, what is the solution? So let's check one. No. So where is my context? Ah, I forgot something. No? Yes, I did. What I forgot is the context should be, actually, it should be inside my class here. And I can directly initialize it in the constructor. Well, here. So let's see if it is better. It's not better. So let's get back. I just want to roll back here. Roll back here. No. So normally if I do, how does it work? I know. I think I know. I'm not sure. No. Okay, I can do it like this apparently. If I do this, I will probably have more messages to see. Yes. So I have all the validation error and so on. To check something else, if I do a destroy without destroying the window, what happens? Okay. So normally, if my context is destroyed as it should be, no, I don't have. So my context is never destroyed apparently. Okay, let's do some tests because I'm not familiar with the way it should work. So okay, let's see what I can do. Oh, sorry. What I can do is let's go. If I do context equals new, does it? be like this. Okay. Then I have the option to do a delete context. That's not the way I want to do it, but it will help me know if that's if I'm in the right direction and no. Okay, let's look at some samples then. Here they have only one scope, so they don't have the same issue that I have, and they are not even using a window. Let's see this one, which is probably a more complex one. Because they only have one scope also. I would like to see how it works when it is contained inside the class. I can apparently search in a directory. Maybe this example here. Let's search for the context. And for now, I don't know the solution. So I go there. So I'm trying to destroy the instance, which is what I want. Okay, so at least that's good news. It's apparently trying to do what I want. Then why there is a segmentation fault? That's something I don't know. Because I don't know. Let's see at least if I have to. Let's remove this. So maybe I don't have to do what I did, and let's see if I go into the destructor anyway. So apparently yes, so I go into the destructor of instance. I'm trying to destroy the instance, but it's not working well for some reason. Okay, let's have a look at vk destroy instance. Segmentation fault, maybe. So something that is meaningful for me. They are talking about a pnext pointer. So let's go to the renderer. Pnext. This one. Let's see if I is probably the problem. I just want to remove this part to do a test, but I'm afraid it will have some other side effect. Okay, so we don't have the problem anymore. So we know the problem. I can probably go into where is it? So not there. Into the documentation, which is here. No, not here. Documentation is here. And I'm looking at debug utils. Okay, they don't have it, but I think I saw some something here. Will probably be simple. Okay, let's look again. They are first creating the instance, and then they are creating the debug messenger. Okay. Okay, let's see. I have I'm a bit surprised on the process. Okay, so they are not specifying any layer. Okay. Then that's really simple. Instance and debug create info. So apparently I can do this. I don't know if I have to keep this as a variable, but probably not. Then can I don't know how I can check if it's working well. Let's have a look at the tutorial. So that's where they are creating the callback, the debug messenger in the tutorial. Okay, I see. I will. I would like a way to be sure that yeah, I don't know how to test this, and it's a bit disturbing that I have no way to test it, because in the tutorial they are saying basically in the cleanup, if you forget to clean up something, it will show a message, but since I'm using this RAII. I'm not managing the cleanup myself, so. I suppose that's the correct way to do it. So now I forgot one thing, which is to destroy the window, but I don't want to have a destructor. It's weird that I don't have any output there. If I stash my changes and I run, I have more things to see. So there is something missing and I don't know. I don't know what. Let's see if they have something about GLFW. Yes. It feels like there is something missing, but window. Go again. Okay, so I don't know how they are destroying their window. I need to look for this function maybe. Apparently they are doing the process manually. Yes, they have the main function here, and then they are manually calling destroy window. So let's do the things differently. Let's call render Render close. Close window. You have a show window, so let's have a close window. Okay. Then if I go to no, I can remove the renderer destructor, probably. And go here also to remove it. Okay, and let's see. Don't know about these things here. The problem I have is I don't have as much information as before. So it looks like the validation, where is it? I have somewhere. So I have somewhere in the header this validation layer. Data and usage. Okay. It looks like it's related to the message I had. Enabled layer names is ignored. But it's strange because it was working well before. Okay, let's see if I can have a quick solution for the quick one. Or maybe okay, I see. Apparently it's normal that it is ignored. But still, how can the weird thing is if it is ignored and it is the only reference to it, it's probably not used. So Ah, okay. I think I forgot this. So let's go back to... Okay. I know the mistake I did. So I oversimplified before. Let's have a look at the diff here. I want to check something. I don't know what I really need to set up, so let's see. So at least I do have a message saying that I did not destroy the surface here. Maybe it's a good thing. Okay, maybe I have an idea of what I'm missing. There is two places where I'm using the debug messenger. Yes. And actually that's where I'm mistaken. Okay, so I have an idea. So let's copy this. Okay, let's replace this part. So I forgot that there was two places where I needed to where I needed this. Where is it? So let's see if I can. If I run again, I will have the same segmentation fault problem normally. Yes, I have one. Okay, it's strange that I have this message here. S-type. That's weird. Let's check again. That's weird. I did not expect this message here. So what I wanted to do, if I go back to setup debug messenger, so let's see. So I don't have to specify the instance apparently, so I can do sorry. So the constructor of this one is using don't know why it is complaining, because I think that maybe not. Let's see. Ah no. Okay, I'm so I was wrong. There is I could do something like doing the same. Okay, I need to look a bit more at samples. With the debug utils messenger, I'm probably missing something. Let's see if I have other example. The first one seems good. And maybe I can give don't know. I could do is create an empty constructor, but then I don't know. Checking the difference between the two constructors here. Because this constructor is calling the create debug utils messenger. Which is what I want then. Then I want to create the second debug utils messenger. Okay, let's search for something else. For P next. No. Actually, maybe because here I only need the creation information. Okay, let's have a look at the documentation again. There is something I don't understand. So apparently it should be the correct way to do it. I still have a segmentation fault. I don't understand the error I have here. Okay, so maybe, just maybe, I have to use this version. Okay, that's still weird. Because the default value should be this one, which is the correct one. Ah, maybe. Okay. Is it better now? No. It's not better. No, is it different? I think that I know. Probably. I need to declare this outside because when we create the instance, it should still exist in the scope. Ah, okay, it's better. So that was a problem. What do I prefer? Maybe I prefer to cast it here. I don't know. Let's leave it like this, like before. Okay. And actually, it's what it's saying here. Variable is placed inside the if statement. To ensure it is not destroyed before creating the instance. Okay. That way I will not make this mistake again. So now I have something which is not destroyed. Which one? Surface. The surface effectively so equals, let's see. I guess it will be something like so I'm not sure about that, so and apparently it's not like this, so let's see the documentation. Okay, there is nothing there, so let's have a look in this folder. Okay. If I what is it? I'm not sure about that. I need the instance and the surface. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Device is let's see if I have a getter which comes from the RAII layer. No. Okay, that's not a problem. I can just dereference the surface. I will look at some example to see if I'm doing the things the right way. Okay, that's what I expect. But still, I will have a look at this. Let's first have a look at this example. Oh, okay, so they are first creating the surface like I did. That's good. And then they are dereferencing every time. So, okay. That's good. So, I think I have the time to commit what I did. So I'm closing the window before I'm destroying the everything, but I guess it should be, it seems to be okay. Before I was destroying the window after. But no, I'm happy because I don't have my destructor anymore. And SonarCloud will be happy too. Just checking that I did not put anything like any temporary things or maybe I want to have the close window just after the show window. Same for this one. Okay. It's nice to not have to handle the error ourselves. Okay. Okay, so let's commit this switch to RAI layer. Remove. So run error destructor. Automatic memory management. Not memory, it's more resource. Okay. I don't want to look at the analysis report. I will handle any issues later if necessary. Okay. So that's it for my for the live session for today. I will continue working on my game and currently on the renderer only once a week. Probably on Monday. And tomorrow, normally I will start multi-streaming with Twitch. So both Twitch and with YouTube, and I will work on my web application. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for me, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.